I'm Claire.
I'm Abby.
I'm Alex.
I'm Charlie.
And I'm Colin, bringing to you the series premiere episode of Blackhawk Radar.
What is Blackhawk Radar? Blackhawk Radar is this year's National Honor Society community project and consists of 3 to 5 minute videos produced monthly. These videos have the intention of exploring the importance of middle school life and involvement and how that can translate into your time here at West High.
Now introducing this month's Thought Bubble, Getting Involved.
Getting involved is an important part of middle school life as it promotes social relationships and encourages higher grades.
Let's see what students here at West have to say.
I'm Wrigley and I went to Herget. I was involved in theater and I'm still involved in theater and I love it. Go Huskies!
My name is Ava. I went to Washington. I was on the pom team there and I'm on the dance team now and I really like it and I'm enjoying my experience. Go Generals!
My name is Luke Banks. I went to Jewel Middle School. I played volleyball at Jewel and now I'm going to play volleyball at West. Go Jaguars!
Hey guys, my name is Camilla. I did band in middle school at Jefferson and I still do band and now I'm also in color guard. Go Jayhawks!
That's all for this month's Thought Bubble.
Now bringing you a preview of Blackhawk Beat.
What's happening at West Aurora? Some events you can look forward to at West Aurora is our sports games, and specifically our spectacular football games. Support West Aurora against contending teams. And turning over to our MythBusters preview.
What is MythBusters? MythBusters debunks any common misconceptions that you may have about high school. Through this QR code, we will answer any of your questions that you may have.
The aim of these videos is to make the transition from middle school to high school easier by offering insight from current high school students. West strives to make sure everyone feels included and excited for high school, no matter what middle school you come from. Our goal is to prepare you all to becoming part of what makes West best, a Blackhawk. Thank you for joining us for this month's Blackhawk Radar. Join us in September for the next episode.